Hi guys, how are we doing? Oh, it's Saturday and I have a delivery. Do you see what it says on there? Live plants. They just arrived. So I need gosh, I need my scissors. They're stuck under my notebook. Give me a second. Right. So we're going to get into these. I've got to be a little bit careful showing you this because it's got my address on the front. So I'm going to cut the bandies off. And then I'm going to get that. Where is it? Let's just... There we go. I'm just drawing over my address. Doop, 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 doop. Talk amongst yourselves. All right. We're going to go down here. Okay, so this to me does not look like 75 plants. I could be wrong. Oh, it could be. Actually, look how tiny those are. Now, this is supposed to be the lavender and... Oh my God, look how tiny they are. That's the lavender. Oh gosh, oh, things fell on the floor. Oh, there's things falling everywhere. So yeah, I have a little bit of lavender. Yeah, this is enough to make a hedge. Look at these adorable little pots. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. So here's the deal with these. I'll be keeping a dozen because there's supposed to be 2 different varieties, but I'm pretty sure this is only one box actually, because there's supposed to be, hang on, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, this is only one variety. There's supposed to be 2 varieties, so there's another box to come and a plug plant box of veg. But look at these little things. Aren't they the cutest things you ever saw in your life? Oh, see, I've been trying to grow lavender from seed for the last 3 years, and it's proving interesting, difficult, pain in my butt. So I thought the best thing I could do was buy some plug plants, and these came up from Sutton Seeds a few months ago as an offer, and I grabbed the offer while I could. But these are such the adorables. They are so adorables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a dozen of these myself, just to make sure that I've got some. And if anything untoward happens to any of them, obviously, then, you know, I've got spares. But the rest are going to go to the... half of them are going around the corner to the community centre. And the other half I'm going to put up for a gold coin donation when they get a bit bigger, because I'm going to put them in seven thingy pots, 7 centimetre pots. So there'll be a gold coin donation which will go towards seeds and pots for taking round seedlings and stuff, to veg seedlings, etc., around to the community centre, so people can take stuff home and grow their own there, which is why I was quite happy to get as many of these, because I don't want a lavender hedge, although it does smell rather lovely. Oh, so good. Okay, I'm gonna have to put those back in there. I think what I'm gonna have to do is maybe use this little tray. Can you bottom water them? Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to line them all up in this, up that way, and just put some water in there might be the safest idea for them, because obviously I don't think that I can plant them up today because the weather outside is frightful. Yes, so we're going to do that and get some water in them and hope that the other plants turn up rather quickly, because yeah, there's another 24. It's a different variety that's coming, the next lot. And so I'm really hoping, see, I can line all those up. That's really kind of clever. And then I can get some water on them. And then I'll go through the process of potting them on with you as well, I think. Oof, 2 more. Here we go. Look out. 1 there. And 1, 2. Oh, there should be another one that can fit in there. So that's 3 there, and then 3 here. Fabulous. And then I will just get those watered so that they've got some water happening. Oh, they're so cute, those pots. I'm keeping those pots. That's amazing. They're great. That's absolutely fantastic. Is that 3? Wait a minute. Is that 3 plants in there? 3 or 4 plants in there? Do you see what I see? Do you see that? Is that 3 or 4 plants in there? Oh my God. Is that hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of lavender plants? Each one has 2 or 3 plants in it. Look at that. Look at it. 2 or 3 in each one. Wow. Okay. We'll talk about more than a bargain for. Far out. That's bonkers. Okay. So like I said, I had kind of hoped that they were all going to turn up together, but they haven't. I'm really hoping they'll be okay, because the next delivery will be Monday, obviously. So like I said, really, really hoping they're going to show up. That would be awesome, because they're not going to stay wet for long. Not in those tiny little pots. I can't believe the little pots. I mean, seriously, how adorable are these things? They could be a pain in the ass to get things out of, though. Not going to lie, but I suppose I could possibly stick a pencil or a bit of dowel or something up there and give it a shove. All good. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me. I will see you later on. Have a good day. Bye-bye.